I have a question about AM radio and nighttime and everything being off in the car. So when I have the AM radio on and nothing's on, no lights are on, nothing's on, my key's just on accessories, and I turn the radio up and I hit the seek button, I'm catching a lot of stations in the nighttime. I'm using the seek. I'm getting all these stations. Catches a lot of them. Okay. Now when I turn my lights on, just on the parking light, turn this up here so we can hear it. Hit the seek button. I don't hardly get anything when my parking lights are on. My question is, how can I get the AM radio to come in better with the electricity going through the car? If anybody could help, thanks.